Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. In this video, we will discuss the small caps on our radar. First, we have SRFM back on our radar for tomorrow's session. We profiled this one back in January when we saw it run double digits on the day. We had you watch it. Surf Air Mobility is a Los Angeles-based regional air mobility platform, expanding the category of regional air travel to transform flying through the power of electrification. To substantially reduce the cost and environmental impact of flying, and as the owner of the largest commuter airline in the U.S., Surf Air Mobility intends to develop powertrain technology with its commercial partners to electrify existing fleets and bring electrified aircraft to market at scale. The management team has deep experience and expertise across aviation, electrification, and consumer technology. A lot has happened with the company since the last time we put it in front of you. The company today came out with a massive news regarding an agreement with AI giant Palantir. This news was well received on the street, shooting it up to 42 cents on well above average interest. It has pulled back a bit off the highs, giving investors another shot at looking at this one with this massive news still in play. Earlier this morning, Surf Air Mobility filed an 8-K that outlined plans to form a new venture, Surf Air Technologies LLC, and an agreement with Palantir Technologies. Pursuant to the agreement, Surf Air Mobility will establish Surf Air Technologies, a subsidiary of Surf Air Mobility, to develop, market, sell, maintain, and support an artificial intelligence-powered software platform for the advanced air mobility industry, which Palantir will power to provide operators of all types of aircraft, amongst other software products and solutions, with systems for the management of planes, airline operations, and customer-facing applications. Surf Air Mobility will contribute its software, intellectual property, and operational data, along with its development team, to support the creation and operation of the new AI-powered platform, Surf OS. Palantir, in turn, will provide implementation engineering services through its platforms, including Foundry and AIP. Surf Air Technologies LLC will also seek at least $5 million in initial funding from third-party investors, sourced by both Surf Air Mobility and Palantir. The transactions under the JV agreement are anticipated to close by November 30th, 2024, pending several conditions. 1. The formal establishment of Surf Air Technologies as Delaware LLC, the signing of its operating agreement, contributions from both parties, securing outside capital, and internal approvals from both companies. Under the terms of the agreement, Surf Air Mobility will have the right to designate 4 of the 5 members of the board of Surf Air Technologies, including the chair, legal representative, and general manager, while Palantir will appoint 1 board member. The agreement also provides both companies with strategic rights, including preemptive rights on capital increases, first refusal rights on equity transfers, and options for equity exchanges in various scenarios. This agreement with Palantir is a significant move for Surf Air Mobility, potentially setting the stage for a major disruption in the advanced air mobility sector. Since their collaboration began in 2021, SRFM has been focused on creating a cutting-edge solution to address the fragmented and outdated software currently available to regional air operators. With the development of Surf OS, the two companies are poised to deliver a comprehensive AI-powered platform that could revolutionize regional air operations. Given Palantir's stellar reputation and this collaboration's strategic importance, the potential impact on Surf Air Mobility is enormous. Surf Air Mobility's release of Q2 2024 financial results, scheduled for Wednesday after the market close, will be closely watched, especially in the wake of this major announcement. And if you look at the chart, you can see that SRFM is primed for a major move. We are on the verge of a major breakout here. But don't just take our word for it, start your research. To read our full report on SRFM, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com. There is no spam and your info is never shared. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. As you can see, this is a big deal, and Palantir has just been one of the hottest stocks this year. The stock has been on an absolute tear. This one is also on the verge of a major breakout here. Moving on, PPI had good news this morning. I talked about it last night. I said the key level on the S&P was above 540. We're breaking out here. If CPI comes in cooler than expected, as long as it's not a ridiculous hot outlier tomorrow, the Fed will start cutting rates in September. In terms of small caps, I talked about these last night. Some insider buying taking place in LAB. This is standard buyer. We had $1.6 million insider buy on Friday, plus over $3 million worth of insider buying over the last week, all around $1.60 a share. CRK, Dallas Cowboy owner Jerry Jones keeps buying. 23.97% of the float is short. ZI up 5.7% today. 8% of the float is short. Major buy from the CEO in this one. And also DTC up 4.72% today. 8.59% of the float is short. We had also insider buying on this recent sell-off from the CEO. A couple of high short interest stocks with bullish charts. TRUP, TRUP, 39% of the float is short. Cinemark, CNK, 25% of the float is short. Compo Secure, CMPO, 25% of the float is short. Double top here, need to break above there, and then it's blue skies ahead. UHAL, UHAL, 21% short interest, on the verge of a big breakout from a wide base. Breakout level is 68.50 or above. And then WKEY, we covered in last night's video. Shout out from we got a shout out from Real Earn Franklin on StockTwits. WKEY, another great call by Insider Financial. Follow that man. Gave you plenty of opportunities today. Stock here, WKEY, opened at 251, dipped all the way down to 225 before running to 344. So I had plenty of opportunities to make money in WKEY today. Congrats to all who watched the video and banked. Lastly, guys, I talked about SBUX, StarBucks, last week as a good long-term play. I had no idea that they were going to get the CEO from Chipotle to come and run the show. For those of you that don't know who Brian Nickel is, he turned around Taco Bell, moved over to Chipotle. The guy knows retail. This is indeed a big hire, and I think this one, StarBucks, will be a great longer-term play. So again, congrats if you watched the video last week. Nice move today, up 24.5%, which is quite an impressive move on a $108 billion market cap. I will also be scanning the pre-market as I do each and every trading day. If I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. However, Wednesday's primary focus is SRFM. Make sure you read our full report and do your research. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to invest in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We're looking for those momentum plays with catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low float, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up, just see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial, and unsubscribe. Finally, thanks to LFG Equities Corp for sponsoring this video on SRFM. Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. Our opinion is meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining us today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. Bye-bye.